With ratios, you can form equivalent ratios. With rates, you can do the same thing. But because rates are a measure of a changing quantity, sometimes data sets can reveal a rate-based pattern. In this video, we'll calculate rates from real-world data sets. Let's start with an example. This data table shows the change in distance over time for a car moving at a constant speed. What is the speed of the car? Recall that speed is the rate of change of distance over time. This data set can be used to find the rate. Let's look at the change in distance and the change in time. Notice that for every 5-second change in time, there's a 100-foot change in the distance. This pattern is maintained throughout the data set. Let's use this pattern to calculate the speed. 100 divided by 5 gives us 20, and the units are feet per second. So the speed is 20 feet per second. Let's look at another example. This data table shows the wage W earned by an office worker for different times T worked. What is the hourly wage? This data set can be used to find the hourly wage, which is a rate. Hourly wage is the change in money over the change in time. For every 8 hours, the office worker earns $192, as shown here. This pattern continues throughout the data set. We can use these common differences to find the wage. We divide 192 by 8 to get 24. The units are dollars per hour, so the hourly wage is $24 per hour. So for any time t, the expression 24t can be used to calculate the money earned. Let's look at a final example. This data table shows the cost C for gasoline for different volumes V of gasoline in gallons. What is the unit rate for the gasoline? Recall the unit rate is the rate applied to 1 unit. So the unit rate for the cost of gas is to find the cost of 1 gallon of gas. The rate for the price of gasoline is the change in volume over the change in cost. For every 5 gallons, the cost is $13.75, as shown here. This pattern continues through the data set. We can use these common differences to calculate the rate. We divide 13.75 by 5 to get 2.75, and the units are dollars per gallon. So the unit price is $2.75 per gallon of gasoline. So for any volume of gas, V, the expression 2.75 V can be used to find the cost for the gasoline.